lang yan.
Trouble with Coco. Coco
Hindi ko marinig.
Coco is a dog. She always wanted to play when bedtime. She had chosen to sleep with Vanessa or Maya. She could not sleep without pillow and the fan. One day, Coco was sleeping with Vanessa. She heard a noise saying meow meow. She ran up quickly and barked.
Quick lang, hindi quickly.
Quick and barked arf arf. Vanessa woke up and saw Coco. Vanessa opened the door to let her out. When Coco saw the cat, she grabbed her, scared her, and everybody woke up because of the noise. Oh no, Coco and Vanessa, it seems it's a trouble day today. Coco. Who is Coco?
Who is Coco?
A dog.
Dito. Number
Dog
1.
lang? Dog lang?
Coco is a dog.
Pwede dog lang.
Sige!
Okay, dog.
Number 2.
2. List down the characters in the story.
Apat yung character. Sino-sino yung apat na character?
Apat na character lang?
Yes, una.
Una, Vanessa.
Sulate, Vanessa.
Okay lang. Ito makinukot-kot.
Kumukot-kutin. Mamaya, gugupitin ko.
Nakaka-red na.
Kinukot-kot mo eh.
Para many layer na skin na naka-go through.
Ay, hindi ganyan ang pagsusulat.
Nakakasakit.
Tanggalin mo na lang yung rubber. Yung pencil grip.
Dog. Ano?
Sino yung apat na character? Isang character.
Isang character. Ito, okay.
Number 1 na answer yan
Okay.
Isang character.
Isang character, Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Maya.
Maya.
Cat.
Cat.
Everybody. Cat.
Sino pa yung una?
Coco.
Si Coco, the dog. Sulate. Vanessa, Maya.
Alam ko 5 ang sinasabi mo.
Hindi. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so ang nasabi ko, Vanessa, Maya, Cat, and Coco. Okay.
Uppercase pag name.
Oh, yeah. Vanessa, Maya. What did Coco do when she heard the cat cries? Bark and arf.
Bark yung arf na nga yung bark niya eh.
Tama ba ako?
Tama yung bark. Ano pa yung ginawa niya? She ran quick and bark.
Tama ba ako?
Kahit yung dalawa na lang. Run up quick and bark. Kahit run and bark na lang.
Run and bark? Okay. Run and bark. Bark.
Balik. Tama. Wala ko nasa Bart ka na.
Who woke up Coco? Wait lang. Who woke up when Coco barked? Oh, Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Para like para isang second hindi ko alam kasi realize ko si Coco at si Vanessa.
And dapat. Go.
Okay. What did Vanessa do to Coco? She picked her up?
Oh, mayroon ba nakalagay na she picked her up?
No.
Basahin mo. Ang ginawa niya kay Coco, nung na-woke up, anong ginawa niya?
Pag nag-woke up? Scared Coco.
No.
Ay, yung cat yun?
Yung cat yun.
Okay.
Ito na yun, oh. Vanessa woke up.
Okay. She rebelled.
Ito na, oh. Ito, oh. Ito yun, oh. Nandito yung sagot sa binabasa dito. Basahin mo uli yan. Anong ginawa ni Vanessa?
Sa Coco?
Oo, nung nagising siya. Ito, sa second sentence. Hindi mo alam? Vanessa woke up and saw Coco. Vanessa opened the door to let her out. Anong ginawa ni Vanessa?
Ano?
Tinatanong nga kita, binasa ko na nandun sa binasa ko ang sagot. Anong ginawa ni Vanessa?
Nagising.
Oh, he woke up. Oh, anong ginawa niya kay Coco? Vanessa opened the door to let her out. Anong ginawa niya?
Akala ko yun siya. Yung parang
She?
her, opo.
Yung her? No. May period Oh. Vanessa wake up and saw Coco. Nag-period. O, di pa ni bagong sentence. Vanessa opened the door to let her. Sino yung her?
Dog?
Oo, yung dog.
Kala ko muna yun.
Kasi di ba nandito na yung pangalan ni Vanessa? Oh.
Alam ko, kala ko nga yung tao yung ito.
Yung her?
Opo.
No, kasi si yung dog ay babae. Oh.
Okay.
Wala, ito. Sige na, huwag mo na isulat yung mahaba.
Okay.
What?
Asan ako? What did Coco do when she saw the cat? He barked and arfed.
No, anong ginawa niya? Oh.
Wait lang.
Anong ginawa niya?
Pag nakita yung cat? Para ito part ng...
Yes.
Okay.
Ito, when she heard a noise, yun ang ginawa niya. Diba? O, nung nakita niya na, what did Coco do?
Oh. So, nandito ang sagot? Lahat? Okay. Okay, barked and scared.
Ano? She
Scared
she's scared and
and barked the door. And grabbed.
grab.
Correct pa ako?
Grab. Oo, she grabbed and scared the cat.
Correct pa ako?
Oh, sulat mo. Scared.
Scared lang.
Grab.
Scared grab.
Grab and scared.
Grab and scared.
Grab. Scared. No, A.
Oh, okay. Yan, yan. Okay.
Scared. Oh, meron kulang dun sa R. Bago mag-D. Scared.
Oh, E.
E.
Kasi pa.
Lagi. Lagi.
Okay. What happened when Coco created so much noise? Everybody woke up.
Everybody
Woke up.
woke up.